on a spinner, the probability of attaining a 5 is 2/9. How many times would you expect not to get a 5 if you make 342 spins? So, expected number is the probability of success times the number of trials. So the probability of not getting a 5, if the probability of getting a 5 is 2/9, the probability of not getting a 5 will be 1 minus 2/9, from the idea the probability of not A is equal to 1 minus the probability of A. So that is equal to 7/9 when you do 1 minus 2/9. And therefore the expected number of times of not getting a 5 will be equal to the probability of not getting a 5, which is 7/9, times the total number of trials or total number of spins, which is 342. 9 goes into 342 38 times, and then 7 times 38 is 266 times. So this has been a video to show you how to find the expectation of not event given a certain number of trials. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching.